Another batch, and those chair frames still wobble. We can't keep reworking these. The tolerances are too tight for manual steps. We need speed and repeatable accuracy across thousands.
In furniture manufacturing, every second and every millimeter matter. Miss by a fraction, assembly slows.
If we can't hit repeatability, automation won't matter.
Meet the ByTube Star 130. Precision engineered for fast, repeatable tube processing.
So we get consistent angles, clean holes, and perfect miters right off the machine?
Exactly. Laser scan and quick cut deliver exact cuts, holes, and contours at exceptional speed, eliminating downstream correction before assembly. With automated loading, cutting, and unloading, handling steps drop and throughput climbs.
Less touching, fewer errors. That's how we beat lead times.
From chair and stool frames, where angle precision stops the wobble, to table frames with tight lengths, angles, and connection points. Cabinet connectors and metal frames need exact hole positioning and slotting for hidden joints. Bed frames demand stable screw connections across large series. Outdoor furniture? Clean miters for perfect weld seams. Office and contract furniture rely on repeatability for modular expansion and short project lead times.
Fewer reworks, lower scrap, faster assembly. That's our margin back.
When everything fits perfectly, production flows and projects ship on time.
All right, no more wobbly chairs.
The ByTube Star 130. More precision, more speed, more furniture. Bystronic, your best choice.